Anything can happen behind the wheel, and you need to know how to deal with the most unexpected situations. It's so hot! A nice cold Coke would really help. Hey. Let's cool off. Except there's a problem. How can you open this metal lid without an opener? Not with your teeth. Of course not. Here's a better idea. We are in a car, right? And there's the seatbelt. That's what we are going to use. Yay! Perfect! It's nice when a friend picks you up in her car. But the bad smell inside the car ruins the moment. No idea where it came from. It doesn't matter. The main thing is to know how to eliminate it. Let's see what Candace has to offer. We'll take some essential oil, a toy car, and a string to hang the toy on the rearview mirror. Now let's take a piece of cotton, soak it in the oil, and put it in the toy car. Now enjoy the nice fragrance inside the car. We can go! Pizza is the best snack. That smell! I want to eat it hot, but it's getting cold. Don't worry, your friend is going to have to move to the back seat and leave the pizza in the front with the seat heater on. Perfect! When you get home, the pizza is still hot. So, your friend borrowed your car. Now try not to be late, because you need to put everything in the car back to how it was, since Candace is taller than Emily. That happens every time. Candace is back in the driver's seat. It's uncomfortable to adjust the seat like this every time. So much stress. It's a wonder you haven't fought over it yet. Instead, try this life hack. Take 2 different colors of tape, blue and yellow, for example, and mark the level where the seat should be for each driver. Yay! Going on a car ride with children is a whole different situation. The kids can't share a toy. Things are getting tense. So, how do you separate them if they are sitting next to each other? Use a folded cardboard box. Build a partition between the seats. Hey! And now, you can give them markers. They can decorate the wall. When little kids are busy, they stay quiet. What should I draw? Oh man, Emily's not feeling very inspired today. Candace has a great idea. Take a piece of primed cardboard and acrylic paints. Apply them directly from the bottles to the cardboard surface. And now, you are going to need your car. The print from the tire looks like art. That's gorgeous! But wait, there's more! If you put paint tubes under the wheels and put the cardboard on the side of the car, as the car moves, you get a colorful show. And here's the result. It's the newest trend in abstract representationism. Even an experienced driver can have a hard time getting into the garage. You are lucky to have a friend nearby who's ready to help. Like this. Go straight. Just a little bit more. All right, stop. But you can't bring your friend with you every time. Instead, make your life easier with this life hack. You'll need a tennis ball, a roll of rope, and a box cutter. Tie the ball to the rope and hang it from the ceiling at the right level. That's it! Now you can check the ball when you are driving in. It'll tell you when to stop. Woohoo! A sharp stop! And coffee is pouring out of the cup onto your t-shirt. This is so embarrassing. What should I do? Oh, I have an idea. Just carry a shower curtain in your trunk. Open it like this and secure it with binder clips. Now your friend can change her clothes comfortably. See? That was easy! Woohoo! Some pets like to ride in the car, and they leave so much fur behind. You are not going to believe this, but you can use a balloon. Blow it up. Now press it against the seat with your hand like this. The air comes out gradually and the balloon fits your hand like a glove. And it collects the fur perfectly. Wow, there was so much fur. If the car is in the sun for a long time, it gets hot and stuffy inside. We need to air it out. Here's the easiest way to do that. Open the window near the left back passenger seat. Now move the front right door back and forth. It's completely fresh now. Start the engine. Let's go! Well, finally! Let's go faster! This is so chaotic! If you throw your beauty accessories all over the car and do your makeup on the way, things will definitely be tense. Everything is falling apart. But there's a way out. An organizer for your beauty products. Hang it on a hook. And you have got everything you need inside. You have to admit, that's way better. It's a good habit to carry drinking water with you. But here's the issue. There is nowhere to put it in your friend's car. Think outside the box. Take a roll of duct tape, unroll it a little, and stick it to the front panel. Place the bottle into the roll. It's smart and simple.
Yay!
And if you take your favorite chocolate with you… Oh no! It melted! We need an idea. Here's what we are going to do. Lower the AC to 62 degrees and place the chocolate bars on the air vent. Just don't freeze yourself. The chocolate hardens back to its original shape. The children and the adults are both happy. On the road, kids often fall asleep. Aw, she's already snoring.
Hey.
To keep the girls safe and comfortable, let's bring a special cushion. Jeans filled with soft stuffing. Put the pillow like this and secure it with the baby seat belts. The baby's headrest is ready. She'll definitely sleep calmly. In summer, it's a good idea to wear light clothes. But if you are driving, the seatbelt can chafe your skin. There's an easy solution to this problem. Pipe insulation! Put the belt in it and sit comfortably. Do you need to park under difficult conditions? Without a parking sensor? Your friend will do a better job. Just be quick and flexible. She moves her arms and you got it.
Hey.
Your friend is the best parking sensor. You have to stay calm while driving. But it doesn't always work. Sometimes everyone is annoying. You'll have to make the steering wheel a stress reliever. To do that, cut a ring out of bubble wrap. And cover the steering wheel with it. Secure it with tape. Now you can remove all your tension by popping bubbles. Amazing!
Yay!
It's the perfect cover for the steering wheel. Hold on, what's this? The air vents are covered in crumbs. There was clearly some kind of feast here, and nobody cleaned up afterwards. It's no big deal if you have foam brushes. They remove all crumbs, even from the places that are hard to reach. Quick and easy.
Yay!
Do you drive? Which of our life hacks are you going to use? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your driving friends. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you don't miss new life hacks for every occasion on Troom Select.